name is Caroline, and you're watching Caroline's YouTube Adventures. And I'm here in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina at Jack's Cosmic Dogs. They have the best hot dogs around, and they're famous for their wieners. So let's go in and order some dinner and see what's so great about their hot dogs. Jack's Cosmic Dogs has a bunch of different types of hot dogs with a variety of different toppings. Sandwiches, homemade french fries, cosmic shakes, root beer floats. In 2018, they were featured on the Travel Channel as one of the top 50 joints in the U.S. to be put on your bucket list. I'm here at Jack's Cosmic Dogs in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. They're famous for their hot dogs, so I got one for dinner, and I ordered the Johnny Dog. Johnny Dog has onions, pickle, and a spicy mustard. Looks like that. And some french fries. The fries are really good. They're like fair fries. So I'm going to add some ketchup to my Johnny Dog. Let's see. How good they are. Jack's Cosmic Dogs were voted best hot dogs in Charleston since 2000, according to the Charleston City Paper, Moultrie News, and the Post Courier. That's a tasty Johnny Dog. As you can see, it was a little bit messy though. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching Caroline's YouTube Adventures. If you're in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina and looking for some hot dogs that are out of this world, go to Jack's Cosmic Dogs. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.